Today we're going to talk about the character change in Rosalinda. So we read the book Under the Lemon Moon yesterday, and if you need to go back and listen to it again to refresh your memory about what happened in the story, you can go ahead and do that now. Otherwise, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about character change. And so when we talk about character change, we look at what the character did, what they said, and how they felt at the beginning of the story, and then what they did, how they felt, and what they said in the middle of the story, and what they did, how they felt, and what they said at the end of the story. And that's how the character changes. And so looking at your assignment, I have filled part of it out for you. And we're going to go over that, and then I'll tell you what I would like you to do. So on this, you can see at the top, it says the title is Under the Lemon Moon. The author is Edith Hope Fine, and the character name is Rosalinda. We're going to look at the character change. How did she change from the beginning through the middle and to the end? And so in the beginning, one of the things that she did was she watched as the nightman stole all of her lemons. What she said about that was, she said, "Why does he take my lemons?" And she felt angry and disappointed. So then in the middle of the story, what did she do? She went looking for someone to help her heal her tree or fix her tree. And what did she say? She kept saying that she did all of those things that people suggested. Let me go ahead and write that people suggested. And how did she feel? She felt discouraged and like she wanted to give up. So now your job is at the end. What did she do at the end? What did she say at the end? And how did she feel at the end? So think about what she did when she found out about the nightman and why he stole her lemons. So make sure that you put down what did she do, what did she say, and how did she feel at the end of the story. That is the character change that she went through.